comprehension. Lily, come help me. It's a secret. Is it safe, Henry? Trust me, I am a genius. Power on! It's too loud. It is working perfectly.
What is that noise upstairs?
Stop it, Henry. Mom and Dad will hear us. Don't worry. I have it under control. Henry! Lily, are you okay up there? We are fine. We are just playing, Mom. Whew, that was close. Wait! Come back! What is that? Henry? What are you doing in there? She is coming. What do we do? No, no, no! Stop! I can't catch it!
Something is very wrong.
Lily, open the door right now. I must fix this before Dad comes in. No, Henry. It is too dangerous. Dad, I am so sorry. I lied to you. I made a mess.
Stand back, kids.
It is okay now, sweetie. You are safe.
Henry, look at me. A smart person knows how to stay safe. And a real genius is brave enough to admit his mistakes.
I understand, Dad. I won't lie again. Always put safety first when you explore. And never hide your mistakes.
See you next time. Bye-bye.